Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today is another power delivery unboxing of a COCCIST PD quick charger. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this charger real quick and also doing a pretty short comparison with the Amazon basic 65 watt charger. This charger is rated to do 65 watts and this is the box. Overcurrent protection, overheating, over voltage, and short circuit protection. Seems pretty decent. It comes with a Type-C port and a USB-A port, which can do 5 volts at 2.4 amps, and a PD charger, which I believe can go up to 65 watts if connected alone. So let's rip it open and see what's inside. That's nice. Comes with a tiny instruction manual. Comes with 3 months warranty. I hope it works. It's pretty wide. It says 65 watts right there. You see Super SI. This is the information on the charging brick in case you want to check that out. It says 5 volts, 2.4 amps, and PD. There is no indicator on the charging brick, so you don't know if it's connected. You won't know if it's properly connected, so which unlike the NecTech and Amazon Basics I got earlier. So let's connect this to my Legion 5 Pro and let's see if it can turn on the charging indicator just as my Amazon Basics did. So to see if let's just say like a sign of good faith that everything should be okay, considering the fact that I paid $10 for this and the Amazon Basics was about $23 or $26. So let's see how this goes. Bring my power switch. Let's plug this in. Oh, it leads. There's a blue LED inside. You can't see it. You can see it from an angle, but it's there. I'm gonna connect my 100 watts charging cable, and hopefully I pray the indicator light comes on. Yep, and it does. It's working. It works, it charges, which means it's supported to charge this laptop, and hopefully I pray it does up to 65 watts. It will be a steal for just $10, and hopefully it also lasts a long time. So I'm going to do a thorough review and see if this bargain charging brick can actually give you 65 watts of power. If it can, it will be an absolute steal and a super recommend. It's gonna go out to this charger if it can do up to 65 watts. Even if it's 60 for me will be a really good mark. But if you can do up to 65, I will be elated, ecstatic. So that's it, guys. It works and it works. It works. It's a charging brick. When it charges, it works, and that's great. Subscribe and watch out for the review and comparison of this 65 watt, the Amazon Basics, and the NecTech 100 watt Type-C charger. And we're gonna see what amount of power they give out from what they are advertised to give, and then I guess that's it. So like, share, and subscribe to Quick Tech Take. Have a good one and have a lovely day.